Clowns by Dmitri Kabalevsky. We're going to work backwards from circle F. So from circle F, third finger on the E, left hand third finger on the A. I count and we play. Ready? Do-be-do, do-be-do. Ready, here we go. Now from circle E, do-be-do, ready, here we go. Now let's go from circle D. Get your hands ready. One on the A, left hand on the chord. Do-be-do. Ready, here we go. Now from circle C, get your hands ready, 4 on your right hand on C, 4, 3, 2, left hand 3 on the F. I count and we go. Do-be-do, do-be-do, ready, here we go. Now from circle B, get your hands ready, 5 on the E right, thumb on the E left, E octave, ready, here we go. Now the whole song. Get your hands ready. 1 on the A right, 3 on the A left. I count and we play. Ready? Do-be-do, do-be-do. Ready, here we go.